All right, we're talking about the next evolution in AI. AI that doesn't just talk, it acts.
So yeah, you know the AI that can chat. Now let's meet the AI that can actually do things. So what is it? Basically, AI that doesn't just answer you, it takes action for you.
The crucial difference here is the shift from just responding to prompts to actually acting on goals.
Okay, but how do they actually pull this off? Let's look under the hood for a sec.
Well, it starts with a goal. Then it makes a plan, picks its tools, and just gets to work.
It's pretty simple, really. The AI model is the brain, and the digital tools are its hands.
Okay, that's the theory. But what can these agents do in the real world? Let's see.
Take finance. In that fast-paced world, these AI agents are already having a huge impact.
A staggering 95%. That's how much faster advisors can respond to clients during market volatility.
And in healthcare, agents are plowing through data, speeding up life-saving drug discovery. It's incredible.
Over in manufacturing, they're predicting when equipment might fail. This prevents some really costly downtime.
Cybersecurity teams are using them too. They handle initial threat detection, saving so much time.
And what does all this add up to? Well, one study showed a massive 307% ROI.
But, with all this power comes new challenges. So what are the big risks here?
And the risks are serious. We're talking disinformation, surveillance, bias, even loss of human control.
It's not just about tech. Experts are warning about major risks to privacy and our society.
Which leads to the biggest question of all. How do we actually govern these powerful things?
Well, the answer isn't just technical. It's going to take real political and societal buy-in.
The goal here is pretty clear. We need strong laws and real checks on AI development.
So as these agents become our coworkers, you have to ask, who is ultimately in charge?